We interrupt this broadcast at the request of local law enforcement to bring you the following message. The condom killer is on the loose. Over the last several days, multiple bodies have been found with their hands tied behind their backs and a condom pulled over their head, causing death by suffocation. Officials note that this weirdo should be considered extremely dangerous and probably a bit pervy. Victims have been of both sexes, and the only common theme between them is they're all considered dickheads by their friends, families, and co-workers. Officials warn that, if you are considered a dickhead by your friends and family, you should be on your guard. The same officials are also selling the photos of the victims to anyone who is teaching a safe sex program, as this guy is proving beyond any doubt that any guy who says the condom is too small is lying. If his junk is that big, he should be doing porn and becoming rich. Otherwise, you ladies should tell him that a condom will fit over his skull. His best friend will certainly fit in one. This is the emergency alert system, reminding all you dickheads that Zimbazo is wasting condoms killing you sorry idiots.